Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, hit the like button and the notification button. So today I want us to talk about Vera Sidika. We all know Vera, of course. She's among the Kenya's #1 socialites. So Vera Sidika apparently sat down and thought her yellow minzi color is no longer interesting. She decided to go back to the black color. Guys, nataka tuelewane hapa. Before, Vera was a black girl. She had a very beautiful skin. She was melanin. Alikuwa na melanin ya kutosha. Then she decided, by that time, I don't know which year was that she does not like the black color. She spent a lot of money to change her color from black to yellow or white, if you can call it so. And now, yesterday she posted a picture saying like how beautiful black was. Take a look at this. So and I was like, wow. Actually, I saw it on my friend's timeline. I'm like, wow, this must be a good joke. And you know what, guys? It was not a joke. It was not a joke. Like, seriously, Vera spent millions of money to change her skin color, her skin tone, and now she has decided to go back. I mean, where? Okay, she's such an adventurous girl, I'm thinking. And this girl has a lot of confidence. I mean, who does that? Anyway, I think she has a lot of money, but I'm thankful she came back to her color. It's beautiful. She looks beautiful, guys. I don't know what you're thinking, but personally, I think she looks nice. And you guys should check out the video. Look at this. There's a video that they've done with Eric Omondi this morning. And by the way, I thought saw the video and I was like, bruh, this is real. So I want to know your comments, what you think, but leave your comment down there what you think about this new thing that Vera decided to change her color, her skin tone, to return it to the original one. I'm so okay. I don't know. Just give your suggestions, but according to me, I think she looks beautiful. Before and after, she's still a very beautiful African girl. So remember, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Remember to work hard and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Thank you so much. Till next time, bye.